Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Here you can see different options from which you can log in. You can sign in with any of the given accounts. I had my previous account signed in with TikTok, so I'm gonna click on sign in with TikTok option. Now you'll have to click on authorize option, and that is how you can log in into CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.